The tech world is ablaze with the sudden and unexpected release of Google OPAL, a revolutionary new project that has taken the industry by storm, and if early reactions are anything to go by, it's about to go viral in ways few could have predicted. Google, a company already known for pushing the boundaries of innovation, has once again outdone itself with OPAL, a mysterious yet game-changing platform that blends artificial intelligence, blockchain, and decentralized computing into a seamless, ultra-powerful ecosystem. The name itself, OPAL, stands for Open Protocol for Autonomous Learning, and as details emerge, it's becoming clear that this isn't just another incremental update or a rebranded service. It's a foundational shift in how data, computation, and AI interact on a global scale. What makes OPAL so groundbreaking is its ability to function as a decentralized AI network, where users can contribute computing power, data, or algorithms in exchange for rewards, effectively creating a crowdsourced superintelligence that evolves in real time. Unlike traditional AI models that are locked behind corporate walls, OPAL operates on an open protocol, meaning anyone can participate, improve, or build upon it, fostering a level of collaboration and transparency never before seen in the AI space. Early testers describe it as a fusion of ChatGPT, Bitcoin, and Google's search engine, but with an added layer of autonomy that allows it to self-optimize, self-secure, and self-distribute tasks across a global network of nodes. Imagine a world where instead of relying on a single company's AI, you can tap into a vast, decentralized brain that learns from millions of contributors, constantly refining its knowledge and capabilities without centralized control. That's the promise of OPAL, and the implications are staggering. One of the most jaw-dropping aspects of OPAL is its ability to autonomously verify and fact-check information in real time, addressing one of the biggest challenges of the digital age, misinformation. By leveraging blockchain-like consensus mechanisms, the system can cross-reference data points across thousands of sources, flagging inconsistencies and even predicting potential biases before they spread. Another feature that's already going viral is OPAL's adaptive privacy model, which allows users to control exactly how much of their data is shared, with whom, and for how long, something even the most advanced privacy tools today struggle to achieve. Unlike traditional platforms that hoard user data in centralized servers, OPAL encrypts and distributes information across its network, ensuring no single entity can access or exploit it without permission. This could be a death knell for surveillance capitalism, forcing tech giants to rethink their data-hungry business models or risk becoming obsolete. Developers are losing their minds over OPAL's open-source framework, which gives them unprecedented access to AI training modules, datasets, and computational resources, all without the usual corporate gatekeeping. This means indie developers, researchers, and even students can now build and deploy AI applications that rival those of trillion-dollar companies, leveling the playing field in ways previously unimaginable. Early experiments include AI-generated music that adapts to listeners' moods, real-time language translators with near-perfect accuracy, and even medical diagnostic tools that improve with every use. The speed at which OPAL processes and learns from data is another reason it's poised to go viral. Traditional AI models require massive data centers and weeks of training to achieve high accuracy. But OPAL's distributed architecture allows it to learn exponentially faster by harnessing idle computing power from smartphones, PCs, and even IoT devices worldwide. Gamers are already hyping OPAL's potential to revolutionize cloud gaming, with early demos showing lag-free photorealistic gameplay rendered in real time by distributed nodes rather than distant servers. Artists and content creators are flocking to the platform for its AI-assisted design tools, which can generate high-quality visuals, animations, and even 3D models based on simple text prompts, all while compensating creators fairly through microtransactions on the OPAL network. But perhaps the most viral-worthy aspect of OPAL is its self-sustaining economy, powered by a built-in token system that rewards users for contributing resources, validating data, or improving algorithms. Unlike speculative cryptocurrencies, OPAL's tokens are directly tied to real-world utility, functioning as both a currency and a measure of computational trust. This creates a circular economy where the more you contribute, the more you benefit. A model that could redefine how value is exchanged in the digital age. Of course, with such disruptive potential comes inevitable backlash. Regulators are already scrambling to understand OPAL's implications for data sovereignty, antitrust laws, and even national security. Some critics warn that a fully decentralized AI could become uncontrollable, while others fear it might displace jobs at an unprecedented scale. Google, for its part, has positioned OPAL as a public good rather than a proprietary product, emphasizing its commitment to open governance and ethical oversight, a stark contrast to the secretive AI arms race dominating Silicon Valley. Whether OPAL lives up to its world-changing hype remains to be seen, but one thing is certain. It has ignited a firestorm of excitement, debate, and experimentation that will shape the next decade of technology. From reinventing search engines to democratizing AI, from killing data monopolies to enabling hyper-personalized digital experiences, OPAL isn't just another tech release, it's the blueprint for a new internet. And if the early buzz is any indication, it's not just about to go viral, it's about to rewrite the rules of the game entirely.